Hey there, this is Ken with Entrust IT. Just want to shoot a quick video to show what I've done to improve things for John at his home office. Here we have a VPN firewall connected to my home internet. This will be connected to John's Comcast modem physically in his game room. Then we have a Wi-Fi radio in here, and this guy has a VPN tunnel to the data center as well as to the GHC Rancho office, so no need to run the software VPN on John's computer. So again, hardwired internet, Wi-Fi connection, and here we go across the house, about 30 to 40 feet, and through a wall, which will approximate what John is doing at his house, across his game room, down the hallway and into his office. We've configured a new computer. Notice there is no physical network connection. It's not connected to a physical internet or network. It has a Wi-Fi card in it as well. So here we have the topology on a little diagram. This actually runs in the background on John's computer, constantly logging all of the connectivity between his computer, the firewall, the internet, as well as several different websites like Google and Comcast, as well as the Entrust Colo and the George Hills Rancho office, his work computer, and a server at the data center. So all these connections are logged constantly. If there are any issues, we'll be able to look going back several months. It logs again for every 2 to 5 seconds, I think. And any issues pop up in here, and we'll be able to look at them after the fact and diagnose them. We can also diagnose things real time. Create a little icon, and here we can see the performance of the system is very good. Between the computer and the Wi-Fi router, we're getting 1 millisecond response times, super fast. Between the computer and the data center, 2 to 5 milliseconds, and again all these other connections to different sites. This is Comcast, under 10 milliseconds, Google, under 10 milliseconds. Everything's looking good. So how does this translate to actual performance on his computer? You'll see that his Outlook, we can close and open. Very fast. If he needs to use his office computer, we have an icon here. Notice this is a lot faster than it was before, and things are moving very fast. We also have another backup, which is to use the data center. There's a RDP server at the data center, and we can log on there and access email there as well. This is booting up from scratch, so everything's pretty fast. Very, very snappy. One last thing I'll show is the speed of the internet connection over the Wi-Fi. Like go to SACB, you can see the websites load very fast. And if we do a speed test, we're getting, my internet connection is 100 megabit, so we're getting almost 80, which is practically saturating my home internet. So things are very good. The only unknown variable we will have once I pick this up and deliver it and can configure it at John's house is his Comcast internet. We've eliminated every other possibility of having any problems, and I'll be there Saturday morning to get this all going.